Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use the new Notes feature on Instagram Reels. This lets you leave short messages that appear above your profile for your friends or followers to see. It's a fun way to react to posts, leave comments without commenting, or just share quick thoughts. To get started, open Instagram and go to a reel you want to react to. Look in the bottom left corner of the screen and tap the paper airplane icon, the same one you use to share posts. When the menu opens, you'll see an option that says Add Note. Tap that. Now type your note. These messages are short and temporary, sort of like status updates, so keep it simple or fun. Before posting, you can also choose who can see your note. Tap the drop-down menu next to Share With if you want to limit it to close friends or make it visible to all your mutual followers. Once your note looks good, just tap Share. Your note will now appear above your profile in the DM section, and your selected audience will be able to see it for the next 24 hours. And that's it. You've just used Notes on Reels. It's quick, it's easy, and it's a cool way to interact without posting a full comment. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and comment which Instagram feature you want explained next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.